In this video, I will share with you information about the Martha Brae Rafting Village. The Martha Brae Rafting Village is located in Falmouth Trelawny, Jamaica. Yes, that's where people from all around the world go to raft on the Martha Brae River. And this is the same location where you find the home of Usain Bolt, the fastest man in the world. Yes, Usain Bolt. Trelawny, Jamaica.
What a pretty loaf, I'm gonna lie. Pretty boat being there. Somebody that can't swim. So I want to work if you're somebody that can't swim.
Rafting tourist attraction, Martha Brae River. And the artists, you know, so we're there today. We're up on Martha Brae Rafting Village. Yeah, we are tourists today. And that song. You know, so when I use this, I try to make the raft and never make work out. We don't have enough bamboo, and the bamboo never long enough.
This one repair is the bamboo tire and the repair.
I try to build something stand up and it never work out.
The bamboo light enough. Float from water top.
But we never have enough. We never long enough. But we never have enough. People life, they suck up on the thing, you know. Make regular man car. Since we come here, so almost 65, almost thing come in. So we take this thing a light. And the river get rough sometime and sometimes they come up. So this is raft. This is a raft. A raft was made from bamboo. Yeah, bamboo. Well, whatever they craft. You know, we use this this regular Japanese. They do everything with bamboo. So this is Martha Brae Rafting Village. And we find this in Falmouth Trelawny. Yeah.
The home of Usain Bolt.
Yes, you hear that right, the home of Usain Bolt. So these are tourists, people from all walks of life. Yeah, they come here to raft on the river. This river, the Martha Brae River. So this is the rafting village. So we kept telling her there, watch out there. You don't wonder what you're going to do. You don't wonder if you're going to wet up. Because they're going to get a wetting mood. Alright. That's a raft captain, man. Martha Brae River, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. Big up, big up. Yeah, so that's a rafting. No, I'm gonna get it full down. This is the Martha Brae River in Falmouth Trelawny, the home of Usain Bolt. Yeah, tourists rafting in the river. People from all walks of life. Enough rafting now. Yeah, the raft built from bamboo. So far so good, right? Yeah, man, this is Saita Ends. Dorel. Yeah. Ella, you saying Bolt? That close where him come from? Close by here. And a far, but
William Nib. He went to William Nib
okay, hear that? The world fastest man come from here. The world needs to know that. You hear the raft captain say? Eh? Sherwood content. That's where you come from? Sherwood content? Okay. That's a couple chains, a couple mile nearby. You send boat, man. So as you can see, the raft after raft after raft coming in. Mr. Captain, how's the day going? Very good, man.
You ever catch fish in this? What time?
Hey, the fish for them say when you eat a fish as a man, you have to bang a lady. Wait me, what a fish on here?
I don't want that much chicken. I don't want 2 times I can put it on the soup.
So them at about a one.
I eel and the crayfish.
Eel and the another one them at about. Them have one fish for them say.
That one.
When name? Gadami, yeah. Oh.
We're gonna get some.
Okay. This is a serious business here on the Martha Brae River. The rafting, alright, I was inquiring all this rafting thing. They say 2 adults and a child under 12 years of age, and the cost to ride about 2 to 3 miles river is $65 US. Yeah, it's a very wonderful ride. Yeah, so $65 US to take raft a ride on the Martha Brae River. Falmouth Trelawny. Yeah. So all the while we coming on, I said, can we look there for look where the ride end? I first never really see nobody on it. We always I wonder what's up, if nothing now go on. The whole of river, I lie, I never know the raft of reverse. One look at reverse of the thinking. Yeah, man, mankind control everything, man. Yeah. Yeah. You have a lick reverse, I'm gonna deal with it. Alright, you're the captain, sir. You have to control the ram, man, and a lick reverse more time. You know, me come here on the wide, but I always see rather. I never know, sir. Me also me not see nothing happen. I never know, sir. Come down. Okay. All right.
We plan to go there all the way.
Yeah. Oh, you tell them they want to go by the starting point.
Yeah, and if you drive to there by yourself, when you put down on the raft, and them response to carry you back to the car.
Okay, then bring it back to your vehicle. All right, you hear that?
Yes.
Okay.
So you have one of our
the rafts
assistants
are going to go on that
to go back upstream.
transport to go back upstream.
So in other words, then The stream running coming down this way, so you go head up the stream and come down.
Yeah.
Alright.
3 miles from up there where you start.
Yeah.
You come here.
Oh, it's a 3 mile ride.
Yes. But the river gone further up, you know, Martin Town, all them places.
Alright, you hear that? You're a raft captain, son?
Yeah.
Alright, man, it's a 3 mile water rafting.
So anytime we not decide to do it,
Yeah, me come here all the while now.
Alright. Anytime
You know?
we decide to do it,
Yeah.
don't look for going hard done.
Alright. That's a word, man. You hear the man say?
Saita? You know Saita?
Saita.
Laurel.
Martha Brae.
Yeah, man. I ain't been to come here first time.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, yeah, that's all right. The man say your name. Alright. Yeah, man. Big up, big up. Yeah, that's right. I man say your name used to cook a little pot. Gonna say that. So them people not stop. Oh, that's what them say, them control the thing, really makes sense. Don't see myself the inside here now. Just like that. Why they make it look easy though?
You can push the stick. You push the stick on the thing there. So.
And the wallet?
Yeah, the wallet and stuff.
So you can't just float just so easily. You ready? Mr. Captain, how is the weather? It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. You hear what the captain said?
Yeah,
The weather is nice. Martha Brae rafting. It's the Martha Brae River, right?
Yeah. Rafting village.
Oh, so them come down the street now and them take out them here and the thing. They say I'm lower than them, I never know what happened. Yeah, man. Okay, more long. Raft captain. Oh, you know that it move, you have to touch the ground for push? Okay. Oh, okay.
So that's so deep it be?
Yeah, I remember it, man.
So that touch the ground now? With the blows are scared. So more people at the phone.
That's a raft captain, man.
If you have any question about the Martha Brae Rafting Village, leave it in the comments and I will answer as much as I can. Yeah, so any more information you need, just leave it in the comment and I will answer as much as I can. Thank you for watching.